everyone, today I'm going to show you how to solve for x. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel after watching this video. And if you're watching from our Facebook page, please follow us here on Facebook. Now, let's get started. So we have this equation. The equation is 5x plus 3 equals 18. We're going to solve this for x. We're trying to get x equals some type of value. So we're trying to isolate x, but to do that we have to get rid of that 3. So the first step that we can take is subtract 3 from both sides of the equal sign. Remember, whatever you do to the left side, do that same thing to the right side. So we're subtracting 3 from both sides of the equal sign. So since 3 minus 3 equals 0, we can just cross that out. And 18 minus 3 equals 15. So we can bring down what was on the top, so we can bring down that 5x and that equal sign. So now we have 5x equals 15. Now we have 5x equals 15. Now we're going to continue from here to find what x is equivalent to. Since there's a 5 attached to the x, we have to get rid of that 5 to get x by itself. So we can divide by 5 on both sides of the equal sign. 5x divided by 5 equals 1x. Remember, that's the x that we're trying to get, so 5x divided by 5 equals x, the 5's cancel out, and the x remains. And on the right side of the equation, we have 15 divided by 5. 15 divided by 5 equals 3. Now we have x equals 3, because remember, the 5's canceled out, and the x remained, and 15 divided by 5 equals 3, so now we have x equals 3. We have solved for x equals 3. I hope you understood how we solved for x. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned from this video, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. And if you're watching this from Facebook, please follow us here on Facebook. Please support us as we create and provide educational videos. So please hit that subscribe button. And if you're watching from Facebook, please hit that follow button. You can check out more of our videos on YouTube or on our Facebook page. Also stay tuned for more videos.